National People's Party kala pelak ya ke Kotlin kedop ke bekerteng promises delivered ne ke jingkular bala pendep ke bakedau yaki mat ya khun election arajar khat pra ha ke Meghalaya Assembly election kala kam bala la man pendep yaki jingkular de ke NPP ke bayalam ya ke sorkar MDA hajelang ya ke ke Kotlin kedop la pelak pai ba do National President jong ke NPP baru Chief Minister ke sorkar jilla Conrad kongkel sangma hamadan polo shlong hak khat ar tadi ko banai kela lingkot arajar arpulai kiwei kibele don lang ha gani ke jingalang ke baka NPP kala pen penaru ya ki kertong ki dei National Vice President Preston Tinsong National Treasurer James ke sangma ke MP ketura ke agatha ke sangma bat Dr. WR Karluki habakran ke jingalang Conrad kongkel sangma ulaong ba kini ki sansnem baladem ki babun ki nong mi khmat kala ya so shaka NPP bat kani ka kado baka NPP kala nang klan ki babun ki candidate ki bala penbena banyak kun ke election ban wan house nam arjar khat pra kim dei ne ka jo ka ying henry minta kila ya so bat ka NPP Conrad ula pediang bat ula ongru baga jingrung jongki kam dei ne ka benta ka jingmentoy shimet henry ban shakri yo upat ba ka jilla.
In the last 5 years we have laid the foundations for it. There was a time in 2018 when Meghalaya used to be at the bottom of the different rankings in the country. Under simple programs like MGNREGA, which is the job card as we all know, Meghalaya used to be at the bottom in the rankings in the whole country. And in a matter of 5 years, today we are among the top 5 states in the country in terms of our performance in MGNREGS. There was a time we were not able to get vaccination. Though the vaccines were available, but the system was not working. We were ranked at 27, 28, 29 in the country in terms of the children getting immunization. But because of the hard work of this government, in the last 5 years, we are today, from rank 27, today we are ranked 2nd in the country. In the last 20 years, the large number of roads that could not be made, this particular NPP-led government has made more roads than what was made in the last 20 years of this state. This NPP-led government has been able to give water to more houses in the last 5 years than was being able to give in the last 50 years of the statehood. In the last 5 years, we gave more than what was achieved in the last 50 years. What could not be done in the last 50 years, an issue of border issue, because of which many people have lost their lives. Many people spend sleepless nights. It is this NPP-led government that has laid the foundation, has taken that decision, and as you all have always prayed, that this government has taken, the government has had the courage, we've had the wisdom because of your prayers to be able to move forward and take the border issue to its logical conclusion. And I can assure you that if there is any political party that will be ever able to find a solution to the border issue, it is the National People's Party. And I assure you that given the opportunity in 2023 in this general election, we will find a solution and we will resolve the border issue so that people in the state, especially the border areas, can live in peace.
Hagani ke jingpun bena kertong ke NPP kidan hadu henreungot kinthai na kisan pu prangot ki ban yakon ke election na rilom khasi jantia bat garo ke NPP kamsim la penbena candidate na South Shillong bat Mairang ke bami khmat daw ba met ba lingdo assembly speaker baru presiden ke UDP. Ke NPP kala penyang ya kini ki longkeme na ki lai puhun rew dari ki assembly constituencies jong ke rilom khasi bat jaintia henrai na ke Garo Hills na ki arpu saud ki constituency amdan wat tang ka wairu ke kenthai. Kini ki longkeme ki dai ke Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo na ke East Shillong, Santa Mary Shilla na Saipung Sutengah, Dr. Jasmine Lingdo Nong Thamai constituency, kong Biolinda Lingdo Nong Light na Mauthat Raisan, kong Grace Mary Kharpuri na Shela, kong Magdalene Saukumi Maulong na Nongpo. Kung basipong ti candidate ki day ni ki waypat ki party ki bakintop ya ke Congress, Trinamool Congress bat ki way ki bala penyaso siya ka NPP. Kat kandai ngut ki day ki MLA ki NPP ki bakintop ya Conrad Sangma na ka South Tura, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong na Punursla, Cabinet Ministers nya bahalang dahar na Nartiang, James PK Sangma na Dadengre, bat dasakhyat bahal lamare na Nongkrem. Wailat Miki Shilla na Jawai constituency, Comingwan Amban na Raliang, Sastuna Sotun na Jirang, Penyait Sings Aim na Maurin Keneng, Jigur Murthong na Marshan Road, Timothy D. Shira na Rusubel Para, Rupert M. Momin na Kharkuta, Pongseng R. Marak na Bajeng Doba, Jim M. Sangma na Rongjeng, Marcus N. Marak na William Nagar, Abdul Saleh na Rajabala, Thomas K. Sangma na North Tura, Rakam A. Sangma na Ronggara Siju, bat Ubreneng A. Sangma na Dalu.